Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope my all lovely friends fine and good. Welcome to back my YouTube channel Trendy Pattern Design. In this video, I will show you some beautiful handmade crochet water bottle covers designs. These covers are not only useful but they also make your bottles look very cute and stylish. This nice thing about crochet cover is that each one is different. Some are simple, some are beautiful, and some are colorful, and some have special patterns. You can always find a designs that match your choice. Crochet bottle cover designs are also very helpful. They keep the bottle safe from scratches and they make it easier to hold. Some even help the bottle water stay cool for a little longer. At the same time, they add beauty and a personal touch. You can use light colors for a soft and clean look or bright colors if you want something fun and eye-catching. When you mix dark and light colors together, the designs look even more beautiful. There are many kinds of patterns, flowers, strips, shapes or simple designs. Each one looks special because it is a handmade. That's why crochet work always feel different from machine made items. The cover are also eco-friendly because you can use them again and again. Crochet bottle covers can also be a nice gift. They are small, useful and handmade so people really enjoy getting them. So if you want your water bottle to look unique or if you want to give some time a special handmade present, crochet bottle covers are great choice. For more beautiful design and ideas, don't forget to subscribe to Trendy Pattern Design and press the bell icon button so you don't miss my new video. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.